Hi, I'm Brian, founder and CEO of AskDr. Have you ever had an experience where you're Googling a simple health issue and they told you it was cancer? Well, that was me, and I'd like to introduce you to AskDr. Our mission here at AskDr is to democratize the world's access to reliable health information. Now, doctors don't have a scalable way to address misinformation or what the World Health Organization coins as an infodemic. They also have restrictions on advertising placed on them, which makes it hard for them to get discovered. On the patient side, we found they lack a centralized place to go for reliable and personalized health information, and they had many basic health-related questions they wanted to resolve but did not think warranted a consultation. So our solution is a platform that makes reliable, legitimate, and personalized health information more accessible to the public by connecting them to verified providers on our platform, so as to be a reliable source of information, to serve as a directory for these doctors, and to integrate a very fragmented medical ecosystem. Like how LinkedIn is your business profile, our aim is for AskDr to be your health profile. Now, without any paid marketing, we've managed to organically onboard over 250 doctors on our platform over the last year. And on the consumer side, we've managed to grow our traffic between 20 to 30% month-over-month growth. In terms of the market for health information search and content, it's not just a sizable market, but it's also a very regular occurring market, whereby 1 in 14 searches on Google are indeed health searches. And that equates to about 70,000 health searches per minute. And while we're currently focused on deepening our presence in Singapore, we've had over 19% of questions come from overseas, and that really validates the expansion opportunities to different markets. In terms of the market size, we had to rely on US data due to the lack of published data in Asia. But in 2016, the annual expenditure of medical marketing was $30 billion, with $1 billion spent online, and we see that number growing as advertisers move towards higher scalability and lower costs. As a rough guesstimate, would take about 20 to 30% of their value as a representation of the Southeast Asian market. We also found that doctors spend anywhere between $600 to $15,000 per month on advertising, despite restrictions placed on them. Now, diving into our business model, the first layer will be a free and open platform for the doctors and patients to advance our social mission of accessibility to reliable health information. The second layer will contain 3 branches of sustainability. The first branch is something we're working on already with industry partners, and that will be the health promotion campaigns. So these are something that we work with pharmaceuticals or clinics who like to shed more light on a particular disease that they're working on, a particular problem they're working on. The second 2 branches are more of a future revenue streams. The first one being revenue generation, which includes partners like telemedicine partners or appointment booking software companies, and we'll be able to generate warm patients to their services. And the way we structure the partnership will be in a fee splitting model. Third branch will be data analytics for infodemiology or social listening, and these will be able to give brands ways to listen or understand the customers better, hear what they want, and build a trend around that. And that will help them be more informed about what their customers are looking for. Our team has domain expertise in both medicine and technology. So my background's in software engineering. And when I started to work on this problem, I reached out to an old friend, Dr. Dinesh, who is a clinician at Raffles Medical. And he previously co-founded a telemedicine startup that was acquired a year after the launch. Full disclosure, he was an early investor in AskDr, and currently I've invited him to be more active with us. So with that, we're looking for mentors who have experience in the industry to help guide us along our journey. Also collaborators, both GPs and specialists, who'll be able to help us to cater to more conditions on our platform, which in turn caters to more patients and really helps us to scale our impact. We'll also be looking at starting our fundraising round in the next few months. So if you're an investor and you're looking for an opportunity to be part of our movement, I'll be dropping my email in the next slide, and feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to update you on our progress, as well as more information about our next fundraising round. So thank you very much for your time.